reality of it is that are you going to invest now or are you going to just sit on the fence? I'm dealing with clients right now that could have purchased a property last year when rates was a little bit lower, and now rates are a little bit higher. And of course, the home prices have gone up as well. And we'll dive deep into the Memphis market data, in addition to being able to see what zip codes in today's time that are doing the most as it relates to activity in the marketplace. And so being able to understand that, we got 3 specific key paths that we want to talk about in case studies. Always understand one key critical point is that all investing has risks associated with it. So it's no guarantees in any real estate investing. There's no guarantee. So we'll start with, as I mentioned, buy and hold, of course, is a strategy to generate cash flow and equity. Memphis is not hugely known across America as an appreciation market. And because it's not an appreciation market, more people buy for cash flow, which means that in equity, which means that your money can go farther here than it can in most areas of the country. And not only can your money go farther, is that the return on your money, the actual rent amount that you can get in reference to the amount of money that you're paying out of pocket for the property, actually affords you the opportunity to be able to do more and go farther. And of course, the last one is being able to buy, fix, and flip. Now, the buy, fixing, and flipping piece is not something that we deal with a lot of investors on a consistent basis. We have a few investors that we deal with in that particular arena, because though that particular product tends to be a little bit more potentially nuanced in terms of how to go from acquiring it to being able to get it sold and flipped, because as the market shifts and changes, in a fluid situation, 90 days ago, the market is different than it was today. But it's critical to be able to understand that buying a home is where you make or break the deal. When you're acquiring a property, you're going to win or lose in the acquisition of it. So all those things being considered, as a real estate professional, as a real estate novice real estate investor looking to get started, drown out the noise. And how do you do that? You drown out the noise by having real, tangible, real-time, granular, on the ground information is going to help you make a solid decision. Because how can you make an intelligent decision without having all the information?